What's up, my peoples? Doing good. Trying to YouTube broadcast. What's up, Emmett? How you doing, buddy? I get my tweet out saying that I just went live. Tex! Thanks for the sub, man. You got an emote thanks to Tex's subscription. Thank him. Then thanks. Thanks for the K-pop merchant. Oh my god. Of course it's K-pop. That's because you're a big K-pop fan, right? Right, Tex? What it is, dude. It knows. Alright, I'm putting out a little tweet real quick that we're live. Okay. Tweeters up. Untweeted. Go and like and read. Oh, baby. Oh, I'm rock hard. Oh, baby. Got my owl mug. Ooh, by the way, Trading View, my boys, they're sending me a mug, so I get a coffee mug from them. It should be here in less than a week. Streaming, sipping on my coffee with my Trading View. Very excited. Very excited. Got some charts over here. Yeah. Hey, do you see the other one too, Tex? The other one should be available now. The other little emote. This guy. Yeah, there you go, the hacks. There'll be plenty of uses for that because I get to be a sore loser a lot. All right, so I'm gonna kill about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. Give people some time to get in. So I'm setting up my links here. We're gonna jump. I'm gonna jump tab to tab here, but. In the meantime, if there's anything you want me to look at kind of preemptively. Just wait. What else are we gonna... know what each of these are. Dave Portnoy. Oh, here we go. Eth, of course, and some total too. Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna be all over that. By the way, I thought this was pretty good. I like this a lot. Because this is legit. I had probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 people reach out to me. And they're like, hey, man, is this the start of the Bitcoin run to 100K? I was like, yeah, I've literally been trying to tell you about this for years. Here we are. And then, you know, they still don't do shit. This is at like 10,000, 11,000. And then the last day or two, they're like, all right, yeah, I'm in. It's like 13 plus. Just missed 30% or more. Hell, I've been saying since, like, even on the big drops, I'm like, hey, this is a good opportunity. Get in. Whatever. Is what it is. I know, that's going to be me. All right, so I think I need to test this too. Let me go to my YouTube. This is the first night I'm live streaming to you. Yeah, live now. Ha! See if we can glitch the matrix out here. Let's see how this shows up. I'm going to give this a test. Okay, so I see it up here. But I don't... Why do I not see it? Hey, Tex, say something. Just like, let me test something out. I have a chat window, and I have one just says Twitch, and the other says multi-stream, and I want to see if it's pulling everybody's to that multi-stream. Well, hello there. Yeah, it actually is. Oh, that's cool, and it shows a little Twitch icon, and then your comment. Huh. Okay. Pretty cool. All right, so we've been live 8 minutes. Let's give it another. Everyone get in that wants to get in. Kind of the timing's kind of shit, I guess. Right in the middle of the presidential debates, but I don't care. What it is. Right. Oh, I probably should add to the that I'm. I mean, I have 18 followers, so let's be real, right? But I gotta at least put. Trying YouTube stream as well. That's jam. All right. We're 10 minutes and 10 seconds in. Uh-oh. All right. Here's a test for the chat. What's your read on this? Say you. Silence. Two things happened. We had a break of a parabolic uptrend. Not good, typically. Oh, so bulls are jumping in and are going to pull back a little to the most recent high test line. Ooh, I like that. Yeah. It's the break, retest, continue. Break, retest, continue. I think that's fair. The bears tried their move. Where is that? That's right in here. The bears went hard as hell. And the bulls actually piled on right there. So let me tell you what I see here. This is not really part of my segment, but we're just kind of bullshitting. At almost every price level, there is going to be a trading range. I couldn't think of the word. There's going to be a trading range, like no matter what. And the key is if you can identify it. So we're either going to have like kind of a slow parabolic uptrend, and we're forming it right now. Like that's totally possible. Or we get rid of that. Put that up where there's lots of tests. Or we're just playing ping pong. Ping, 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 ping. We're just bouncing until the market decides what it wants to do. That's probably more likely what's going to happen. So if that's the case, your target is going to be kind of in here. This 12-7 range. But I mean, I don't like trading this kind of stuff. This bothers me. I want to trade a big sweaty breakout. Like be the guy who longs basically anywhere in there. And then, you know, take profit at some point. Even where it is now, if you were long from back in here, like margin long, and selling here, you're fine. Like you're happy. It's got 10% easy. You know, then you can multiply that with whatever your margin is. But here's the thing. A lot of people have taken profit. And here we are still holding these highs. Like just a few days ago, we were in the 11.5 or below. This is the 19th. Today's the 22nd. Okay, so 3 days ago, we were basically in the 11s and happy to be there. And now we're holding above 12.9. Like, this is ridiculous. So, what I suspect can end up happening, even if we pull back, but almost every time there's a shove, it's multiple weeks in that area just to consolidate for the market to decide what it's going to do. I mean, even here in this recent deal, we were there 6 weeks before it finally decided not to up. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and kick it off. This is the first chart I like to start with. So first thing we're going to look at is Bitcoin, Bitcoin USD. Let me see what the chat said real quick. Yeah, I think we had a solid breakout and we will consolidate about 12.5. Yeah, that's totally reasonable. Absolutely. I could see that. All right, so let's check this out. Consolidate above the 12.5. Yeah. All right, so Bitcoin has broken out. You'd have to have been under a rock not to notice this. This is, of course, what's been going on. In less than a week, Bitcoin's gone from 11, what's the low on this candle? 11.4 to 13.2. So in a matter of days, something we don't see a whole lot anymore, or haven't, a 15% move to the upside, breaking through several macro resistance lines. This is fresh on the heels of a multi-year bear market where the most Bitcoin could sustain was a move to the upside that hit about 14,000, which I think is our ultimate target for this up move, for a number of reasons. but the biggest being the market is bullish as hell. Another thing worth mentioning is if we go back in time and I turn on, so we're on weekly candles, so every candle is a full week. And here you'll see I have the 20 EMA on, which is this blue line. Every single time the EMA has made a new high. So for example, here during the bull run, the EMA topped out at about $10. Once it broke that $10 range again, it started a fresh new bull run. Okay. So that happened once. Once, maybe that's an accident. All right, let's see. You could argue it there, but I'm going to skip that. I'm just to be totally conservative with it. Let's just say act like that didn't even happen. All right, so here's a second instance where we made a new all-time high in January of 2014. Again, this is the moving average, the exponential moving average on a weekly. And this was about 600 bucks. And again, once the EMA broke its prior all-time high, once it's gotten above it, that triggered a new bull run. Now, that's one way to look at it. You know me, I've been around talking about Wyckoff accumulation, right? So this is really what I consider accumulation. This particular area right here, then the breakout and consolidation, you know, uptrend, blah, blah, blah. But just another way to look at it is if the moving average itself starts to make a new high, buckle up. So we've seen that twice. And now, just recently, the prior all-time high for the weekly, for the moving average was just at 10,200. And here we've closed multiple weeks above that now. In fact, we're on our, let's call it our third week, and you can see it's explosive. And there's several other indicators that are just as bullish, if not more than that, but that's just something I like to point out. A lot of people miss that. And it's easy to miss the forest for the trees, I get it, but every single time this has happened, that's what these kind of arrows are trying to show. Each time that's happened previously, it's been the start of a new bull run. So you could, this being the weekly moving average, you could continue that upwards like that. All right, so macro scale, we're bullish. Oh, you know what I always pull up and I didn't look at? Let's check out the Bitcoin hash rate. And let's just make sure the health of the network is not in question right now. Okay. Fresh all-time highs a day ago. Looks like the network has there's all kinds of pullbacks along the way, but all in all, sitting at all-time highs. Nothing to be alarmed of. Everything looks really good. And again, if this started trending like sideways, macro, or even down, that's when I start to worry. So for now, I'm not worried. All right. One thing I do like to point out, and I like to point this out each stream, is the weekly 20 EMA is historically the floor of any kind of pullback during a bull run. Okay. So let me kind of zoom in and give you some eyeballs here of what I'm talking about. So you can see, I mean, going back to its infancy, it literally, and we're talking about like in 2011, somebody just turned on a 20 weekly moving average and they were bang on for one of the first big pullbacks and they were ready for it at 60 cents. God, wouldn't you love to be the guy who bought Bitcoin at 60 cents and held? So during bear markets, you can make the case that a bear market truly starts when price breaks below and fails to break back above this moving average. And then a bull market starts once price stays above the 20. And here you can see the multiple instances where even when it broke below, the very next candle it broke above again. So you would want to have multiple candles breaking below to really give you a signal that, hey, this is it, we're done. So here is 2015, 2016. Here, the entire 2017 run is riddled with these weekly 20 EMA touches. So one of the things I'm going to be playing this time, one of the plays I'm going to be making, hopefully, is trying to sell things that get too far away from the weekly, from this moving average in particular, and then buying on a pullback. Now, I would never do that with like my entire stack, but let's say you have 10 Bitcoin, doing something like that with 1 Bitcoin, maybe that could be a good move, right? But me personally, I want to wait till a very nice uptrend is started. And by that, I mean a break of the prior all-time high. That's when I'll get pretty serious. But for now, I'm not trying to play those games. That being said, while the weekly moving average is trending upward in a way that we do want to see, we've gotten pretty far above it. Like the current price is pretty far from the weekly 20. So as bullish as I am, let's be realistic. We're about 25% above our moving average that we historically come back and kind of grind along, or at least retest. So it would not be crazy to see something like a little consolidation a week or two. You know, this is continuing to drift up, maybe a shove and a like real quick dump to retest it, which is literally what happened right here. It's not bearish in any way. It's totally normal. Wish I would have bought at 3,000 this year. Hey, Sir D, absolutely, dude. I feel you. Don't we all? But anyone who was in the game and watched their holdings go from 8,000 per coin all the way down to like 4,000 or 3,000 in a week, if they tell you that that wasn't scary as hell, they're lying. Like, even though I didn't sell anything during that period, because I mean, I understand the market, or I had faith that the market would come back. It doesn't mean it wasn't scary. That was terrifying. Thankfully, I did get some buys. I think really it was in there. I didn't like snag the all-time low or anything, but I did get lucky with some 5,000 buys. But all in all, my strategy was just to accumulate what I could kind of in here. But once we break the all-time high again, I'm hands off the wheel. I'm not going to put any more cash into it. That's just me. Kind of diminished returns at that point. And then maybe during the following bear market, that'll be something I do. That's just me. All right, so this is Bitcoin right now. Let's look at more of a granular, low time frame view and kind of see what's been going on. So just like I was talking about a second ago. Oh. All right, so just like I was talking about how this sell-off was completely normal, or not normal in the sense that like, oh yeah, anyone would do that, but normal in the fact that it's to be expected because we're getting back to our moving average. That is this. So what's funny is people who traded this as like a head and shoulders, the technical analysis way of doing this is you find the neckline, which is like somewhere in there. You measure it from the neckline to the head. So that's about 1,000, like 1,100 bucks. And then that is the target for the move to the downside. Okay, and it went about like 12 to 1,300. So if you played this head and shoulders and then you sold it on the break, you could have bought down here strictly using like traditional TA, which is really funny. A lot of people think TA is just bullshit, but on the 1 hour to 4 hour, it's actually, it's pretty useful. So if you sold in there, you would have bought back in there. I did not, because I'm not into the day trading stuff, but that's just FYI. Interested. And since then, it's been nothing but consolidate in this kind of upward move. This grinding that the price refuses to close below, again, from a macro view, that is the weekly 20 moving average. That is what this is. That's what we're looking at right here. So every time prices, and again, if you watch Twitter or if you're in Facebook groups or whatever, I promise you, the majority of people were super bearish right here. And they were calling for retests of, I can show you. You start getting charts like this. Oh, well, the horizontal support is right here. Gonna reload because this is just consolidating before it moves down again. So I'm gonna buy a bunch of the 8,600. Here we go. And no, you ain't doing it. Let's see. So we are in bull mode, and a lot of people are going to be arguing this along the way. But if you're of that mindset that no, this is bullish, like until we close below that weekly moving average, we are bull. We are full bull. Question from the chat: do you day trade anything? I don't right now, and I'll explain why here in a minute. I have been buying on these dips. Like down in here, I was a buyer of alts because I watched, for example, Ethereum. I watched it hit $500 and then instantly fall to like 320, I think. So I actually have lots of Ethereum buys by pure luck in the 330 range. And so I'm going to ride that back up because it's my opinion that we're in a massive uptrend on the daily time scale. So if I'm buying here, I want to buy, so you have a high, a low. I want the next high. I want to be selling kind of up in here somewhere, and then hopefully buy. All right. So markets are all, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high in an uptrend. And my argument is that's what we're doing right now, because we've broken above this very critical price point of about $300. And now we're starting a massive uptrend. Now we may consolidate a bit more. And so that may bite me on the ass by not day trading it and selling like right now per se. But like I could see something like this before breaking out. That would be completely normal. But for now, I'm very comfortable with buys where I have them because I don't think I can beat that. I day trade bought Link at $10 and then at 8 something. So it was like somewhere above that. So I was a buyer in this zone. And if Link is doing what I think it's doing, where it's a low, a high, a high, a low, a high, a low, headed up for some new high, I want to be the guy selling up in here. So I do what's considered, that's more of what's called swing trading rather than day trading. I'm not trying to get a 1% move lots of times in a single day. I want to get like a 50% move that maybe took a month or 2 months. I'm good with that. And then have the patience to wait, let the market settle down, reset, buy it again. Doesn't always work out because just like we saw with Bitcoin, over the last 3 days, there are days when Bitcoin will move $1,000 to $2,000. And if you miss those days, like if you were not in position, it's hard to catch them again. Because even like you see over here, Bitcoin had this awesome breakout and a lot of people bought late, Dave Portnoy, etc. And then it dumped and, everyone's burnt out. Oh, no, this is BS. I got screwed. Bitcoin's not the real deal, blah, blah, blah. So you really have to be in position at a time, that stuff. So I only will day trade or swing all percentage of my total stack. That's my point. That's what I was trying to get across there. Okay. This is my Twitter chart. Let me get my Twitch. So let's look at what some targets are for Bitcoin. We have several all-time highs. It's because when Bitcoin starts its uptrend, it has targets and it has previous highs that it wants to take out and usually consolidate or break above and then consolidate from the top and retest. So for example, Bitcoin could not get over this 10K hump. It finally broke above it. It came back and it retested it before moving on. So there's a very strong chance we have something similar with these levels that are ahead of us. So let's look at what they are. So far, the 2020 high was this August high of 12,500 basically, and we blew it the fuck up. We already beat it. I love it. Makes me very happy. So the next target, maybe we consolidate here a bit, who knows? But the next target would be the 2019 high, which is about 13,000. What is it? 13,750. So we've taken out the 2020 high. Next target's going to be this 2019 high. And then, of course, the 2017 high from the last bull run, which is 20K. So something to the effect of, you know, break, retest, break, retest, break, retest is essentially what I would expect. On a weekly time frame, it would be, you know, you got to push it sideways with consolidation, because again, you need this 20 EMA to grind upwards, and it's not going to move as fast as you want it to until kind of the end of these parabolic runs. But right at the start, which is like basically we're in here, it's going to take you some time to kind of get this thing up and running. Like, for example, the EMA moved from what is this, about 500 to 1100 in from July to May, so almost a year for it to double. So it may take us over a year or right at a year for price to go up, to double from where. Who knows? Who knows? Personally, I think, based on a very kind of a funny indicator that I'm using, I think we will see Bitcoin attack its prior all-time high by latest first quarter of 2021. At the latest. So that would be about 5 months from now, max. Best case by probably December of this year. And given all the headlines we're seeing and stuff now, I wouldn't put that out of reach. So let's see, where's December? Get a vertical line here. So December would be like that. So geez, though, that would be like straight vertical. And typically we don't see straight verticals like that as we're breaking out of accumulations. So I don't know. But what's tipping me off, or what's making me suspect it's going to be sooner than later, is actually my boy Litecoin. Have it on real clean. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so I'm using Litecoin as an indicator to kind of give me excuse me, to kind of give me some kind of feedback. I've actually adjusted it from where I did this. I think since this has more touches along the way, I think that's more reasonable. So the apex, which is the point where, you know, this is resistance, this is support. So the point where support and resistance come and meet, it comes to a close in February or March of 21, depending on, you know, how you draw this. Now, you may say, like, what the hell? Why are you talking about Litecoin? I'll show you. All right, so previously, Bitcoin attacked its prior all-time high right in here, right in here. Okay, so Litecoin consolidated, and it was like the canary in the coal mine, so to speak, that right as Litecoin was breaking out is also when Bitcoin was attacking its all-time high. So that could have been a fluke. I don't know. You know, one time is a coincidence, as the saying goes, but we're waiting to see if the same thing is going to happen. So that would give it, you know, for this to match up. That would give us till, yeah, March of 21 for this apex. I don't know. So we'll see. It's going to be interesting. That's something I'm watching right now. If this is something you're interested in watching as well, kind of keeping your eye on, I made it as a chart where you can You can just check it out off and on. I'll put it in the chat. Okay, so that's something like if you wanted to bookmark that and kind of, you can click the arrows and see how things are progressing and see if it actually is going to do that again. So like even a month from now, 2 months from now, you can see if that's starting to trend up and keep. But I just think that's kind of so. Note from the chat: I feel like 2019 is going to be an important resistance line for the bull breakout. I think that will switch the psyche from disbelief to hope. Now, what he's talking about is this Wall Street cheat sheet that a lot of people use. And he's talking about going from this disbelief to this hope, which is really the first step toward a massive, massive bull run. And this is for any market. Like, you can go back and apply this same concept depending on the time scale you're looking at. You can apply it to Apple, Tesla, gold, on and on and on. There's several assets that this will be perfect for. Now, here's what you got to worry about in crypto. Is that not all assets are made the same. For example, let's find a really good shitty alt. KMD. This is a good one. All right, we're making all-time lows. We've just consolidated for like a year plus, and now we're breaking in its price discovery to the downside, and it's just going to dribble down, 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 right? And there's an army of these. Like, I could go through the list. But for these, they've actually made an adjusted Wall Street checklist. And it looks like this. You have panic. You have the complacency, anxiety, denial, panic, capitulation, anger, depression, deeper depression, wrecked, rector, ultimate rector, annihilation. And that is how some people will end up being, depending on what alts they think are going to be, you know, the big winners. Nano. A lot of people are accumulating in here. Oh, yeah. Going all-time highs again. And here it's like... Well, I don't even need to guess. Calculate it. We're another 80% down. So the people who bought in here are 80% more down. Qdom. Yet another one. Ren actually did really good. Rep. That's sideways. Strat. The sideways ones I don't mind because they tend to pump, just little scam pumps, and I like to play those. But I'm trying to show you that it's not like just buy any alt and play with it. There are, oh my god, like look at this. Oh, like what is this? Anyone who is buying in here is down 60%. Ugh. In 2 months. XVG. Christ almighty. So be careful what you buy, because you could be buying this and doing like cyclical Bitcoin runs, or you could be buying this when the devs just exit scam or dump on you or whatever because they have more stuff than. All right, so let's kind of go through our stuff here. Obviously, Bitcoin is doing great. We love it. Ultimately, we want to see it attack this prior all-time high, but Tex, just like you said, the first thing it's got to get to and beat is the first boss, just 13.8. So that's why I suspect we'll have some consolidation, you know, whatever it looks like, a break of that, and then an attack of the all-time high. Meanwhile, this is going to continue to trend. Now, what's interesting is we can kind of see what this EMA is going to continue to do. So right now it is moving. All right, so it's 10,684, 10,4. So it started at moving at about $100 a week to now it's $200 a week roughly. And if this price level holds, it'll only get steeper and steeper. So every week, let's see, this was like another 200, then 300, 400. So that's $1,000 already. 500 to 600. You know, there's another 1,000. So yeah, this is conceivable by December we'll hit the all-time high. But it's going to take some chugging along. So we'll wait and see. I am more for it than against it because of the fact that the moving average is breaking above its prior all-time high. And every time in history that's happened, it's just been a sustained bull run. Hell yeah. Okay. What else? As Tex was talking about early on in the dealio, in the stream, Total 2. So Total 2 is something I've been watching since first breaking out of the Sign of Strength. Oh, what's up, RTS Gamer? Do you play... Oh, why am I in the StarCraft thing? Oh, dude. I didn't even realize. I played StarCraft a while back. There we go. Bro, I'm so sorry. Thank you for letting me know. My chat hadn't even told me. I've been on for like 30 minutes. That's embarrassing. Yeah. So I do play StarCraft, and I did the last time as well. And then what I'll do is I'll start a video about crypto and kind of what's going on in the markets, and then I'll play a game. And last time I played StarCraft, so I just forgot to update that. So my apologies. Thanks for pointing that out for me. Okay. Now, we just finished our Bitcoin discussion, and now let's look at Total 2. For those of you who are not super familiar with Total 2, what Total 2 is, it's the market cap for all of crypto, not counting Bitcoin. So they remove Bitcoin entirely. And why that's important is you can see how capital is flowing into the alt market. So literally anything that's not Bitcoin. And again, I always like to show this. Why I like this is because if you look at the accumulation range for Bitcoin back in 2015, 2016, and you look at where we are now for this Total 2, it is literally identical. All right. So we have identical accumulation, which is this is saying is that the whales have been acquiring as much as they can in this particular level. And once they feel that they have enough, they push up and out of the level, and that's it. You never get a chance to buy in that level ever again. You're done. You missed it. Richard Wyckoff, old Dick Wyckoff, he is the guy who came up with this because he noticed that when whales were moving markets in the New York Stock Exchange in the early days, this is how they would do it. And it's not like it's just a fun thing for them to do. They have to do it. There is no better way for them to do it. It's the most efficient way to enter and exit a particular market. The reason is they can't just buy up everything, or they become super illiquid and they cause the price to spike way up, and you know everything's out of control. So everything has to be done in a very long time frame, super controlled method. So for example, they may be the buyers here, but then they're the ones to sell in here, like intentionally driving it down. And then they may allow it to go up. And then they're also the ones to sell it back down again to shake out any last weak hands. Old Dick Wyckoff, exactly. So anytime you see this kind of setup, especially with just prior to the break above the trade range, if you see just before that a terminal shakeout or a spring, which is what we see both in the Total 2 and in Bitcoin back before its last bull run, things get pretty wild. RTS Gamer, I feel like it would be good to play one game, trade, check market. Yeah. No, I think it's a good idea. My particular issue is I do have a job and I work for a living. So when I get on, I only have like 3 hours or so to do it. So but if I did it full time, absolutely, that's a great way to do it. And like kill an hour or two playing some games and then go back and kind of get an update. Yeah, I'm with you all day on that. when I retire with my crypto gains, that's exactly how I'll do it. We'll circle back to that. Okay, so back to the topic here. So this is a pattern that will repeat with other alts. Yes. Okay. So RTS, I love that you're asking, and that's hilarious that you just like fell across this. But so total 2, since the market cap is making this signal, what you can do is say, okay, well, what alts make up the market cap, which is literally everything. But let's go through the other alts and let's see. Thanks for the follow, by the way, especially as new as I am. Every follow counts, so appreciate you. Ethereum literally made the exact same thing, which is why on these pullbacks, I was such a big buyer because I firmly believe we're consolidating before we break out. So Ethereum is one that I've noted. And again, this is all disqualified. This is my disclaimer. If we close below this 290 level on the weekly, it's it. I'm done. I lose. Neo is another one. So Neo is another one that's refusing to break back below the previous trade range. So this was resistance, 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 and now it's broken above it, and now it's acting as support. And anytime you see this, again, where just before you had a terminal shakeout or spring or whatever you want to call it, you have a break, it's going to be an uptrend, I'm telling you. But the sentiment won't feel bullish, okay? And that's normal. You're going to have everyone second guessing it because they're the guys that just got burned on this bullshit. They just lost their life savings and grandma's retirement and everything because they were the ones going long here and here and here instead of patiently waiting for this to develop and actually buying somewhere in here ready for the uptrend. See, people, it's hard to get your head around the time frame that these big dick whales trade in. But this is showing you. So here's total 2. This is from August of 2018 to August of 2020. This is 2 years. They have the patience of a monk. I mean, they'll take as long as it takes, and they will shake you out any chance they get. And as soon as you're the guy selling here, they're the buyers, and then they're ramping it up, and they just made a 4x, and they ain't stopping there. They ain't stopping there at all. Okay, so total 2. I've been saying this for weeks. I mean, you can go check the old videos, and I upload on YouTube and stuff too. But when the price dumped down to here, I was one of the guys saying, not to toot my own horn, but I kind of feel like I should here, that this is a not accumulation, a consolidation move before an uptrend, because it is proving to the greater macro market that it is not. It could have just as easily broken down. Just like it's broken above before and then it broke down and it was like a sustained down move, right? It could have done that here, but the market said, no, it is not time for that. So because of that, you see lots of alts doing the same thing. Many alts doing the exact same thing. So my particular favorite ones right now is Ethereum, Neo, ADA. And again, TRX, I didn't love it. I still don't love it. And remember, I gave my qualifier, it has to hold above the prior trade range. And if it falls back below it, all bets are off. TRX, the reason I did not like this one before is because of this blow off wick. And this is actually a sign of whales and such being out of control. See, what you want to see is a good strong up move, but not one that pulls like a 50-60% candle in one candle, like literally in a 4-hour period. As soon as you've done that, you've created way too much overhead resistance because there's buyers all the way up. And now anytime the price gets anywhere near these levels, they're going to be the ones selling down. Which is why a true accumulation period takes so long going sideways, because so many people are stuck above this level. Every time price starts to get to a certain level, you have both the guys that are buying here selling down, but you also have the greater market who are they just want their money back. Just let me out of this bullshit crypto game. You know, I bought back in here and I bought back in here and now the price is here. I just want out. So there's a little bump. I'm just selling. Right? But what they don't know is that this is all by design and people are sopping it up. Now, this could come back to be some kind of accumulation trade range. But because it is broken below and is holding below, so it broke not just one candle, but a second. And it's kind of, you could argue where you have the resistance line. But regardless, I think everyone could admit that this is a clear break below. So I'm invalidating this. So I'm saying that this is no longer true accumulation. I had some buys down here, but as soon as we broke below and continued down, I was out. So I did take a little bit of a loss on that, but it was like a $500 bet and I lost 5%. It happens. Ethereum, Neo. I do not have any ADA, but I have a lot of Ethereum and Neo, and I'm a big fan of those. XMR, we're continuing to watch this. We had this parabolic move to the upside, and while it is... Wow, look how it came back and touched this, which was the previous resistance line that it broke above. So as long as it holds above that, it's going to continue to stay bullish. All right, let me catch up on some of the chat here. Welcome RTX, hey Tex, the Debbie Downers. This right here got me in the market. Good deal. This is what rustled my jimmies. Yeah. I feel like people's basic instinct is just jump at it because it's new. It's going to win big. Yeah. I think it will win big, but on the data and history Jack is going through here, not just crypto is good. Yeah, absolutely. So let's talk about market sentiment real quick, because we talked about this for a second. We're essentially in this disbelief phase. I completely believe. So we've had this sustained sideways, which is accumulation. This is how the Wall Street cheat guys choose to show it. But now we're starting this uptrend, and we've broken clearly above the prior downtrend, any resistance line, horizontal resistance. And we're kind of up in this, okay, you know, this is interesting, but it's probably still bullshit. Like, that's what kind of the greater market is. And you can go through a lot of your favorite crypto trader guys, and which I'm not like super popular in the crypto crowd. You know, maybe by the next cycle, maybe, because I feel like I give some better advice than a lot of these guys. But the real popular guys with 100,000 followers, etc., they're the guys who are like shorting here, hedging here. This doesn't look good. I'm hedging. This is crazy, because they are purely a reflection of the greater market, which is, this is all bullshit. I don't believe it. No. So the only guys who are really going to get in early are the ones who have like a truly macro view. And they're the guys who are like stepping back and saying, oh, I see. There are accumulation periods and then uptrends over like a 4-year period, and then accumulation, you know, some consolidation, and then an uptrend. Okay, so I just need to look for some more accumulation and then another uptrend. And then also with respect to the halving. So the halving is almost always about, the price is about 50% of the prior all-time high. You know, all-time high, about 50%, all-time high, about 50%. And there's all these patterns, and a lot of people just ignore it. So we're after the halving. The supply entering the market every 10 minutes is literally cut in half. Just, that is programmed into the code. So on this line, that is how it works. And this is what is continuing. This is what starts a bull run, in my unprofessional opinion, right? Because if some of the biggest sellers on the people bringing liquidity to the sell side, it's not often the buyers and holders, like maybe you or me speculating on it or whatever. It's not us. It's actually the miners themselves, because they're the guys who are selling just to pay the bills, like electricity and their overhead costs and their workers and blah, blah, blah. Talking with a guy I work with, he got in last week on low value, and his friends are all in disbelief phase because they got burned down the last time. They're telling him he's crazy. Yeah, 100%. Just like the guys who were selling, let's say the guys who bought $700 Bitcoin, which today we can look back at and be like, holy shit, you got in at 700. Like, they were getting laughed out because the price went down to 200 before it hit 20,000. Okay, a 100x run from the lows to the highs. All right, so if we have anything similar, 3,000 to 300,000. I mean, that would be the equivalent. But yeah, a lot of people, as you say, are going to be laughing this off and thinking it's BS. So we'll just keep an eye on it. So total 2 continuing its uptrend. I firmly suspect we're just going to keep grinding up. Some targets for the total 2 would be the prior breakdown, which is price right now at about another 70% move. So the entire alt market would move up about 70%. Now there's going to be big winners, big losers, you know, depending on which alt. Maybe Ethereum, Neo, and Link outrun the rest of the market, which is my hope because those are my big bags. But that does not have to be that case. Like TRX could just turn around and do something really crazy, be really successful. Who knows? That wick broke out. Looks nice. Yeah, on total 2. Yeah, that does look really nice. So here's the thing you got to remember. I drew it as this triangle, you know, kind of like wedge. It's called a symmetrical triangle. That's how I drew it. There are lower highs and higher lows, and it makes this pattern. It does not have to be that pattern. All that Wyckoff calls for is some sort of accumulation. So maybe that's a symmetrical triangle, which is kind of like this slow grind up with relatively similar highs all the way across the board. You have all these wicks kind of like this before finally it just has the top blown off. So it would be something like that. Goes up. I mean, you never know. It could be a channel where it just accumulates within this channel until the price finally has had enough, you know, kind of ping pongs around until it continues its uptrend. You never know. So that being said, I drew this particular pattern. It doesn't have to be that. So we just got to keep our eye on it. And we'll watch what happens. That's why it's hard to really day trade this stuff, because you never know really what it's going to make. Like if it did something like this and you sold there, well, where are you going to rebuy? Like if the price is so squiggly, it's really hard to, I mean, you could hope you get it down here, but you really don't know what it's going to do. So that's why I like to buy as low as I can, like on these pullbacks. And then I'll be the one hopefully to sell in the next leg up. And then when it consolidates down, maybe, you know, rebuy it there. We'll just wait and see. Yep, agreed. Yeah, so my favorites, again, because the total 2 looks so good: Ethereum, Neo, ADA. Obviously, XMR looks super slutty, and I'm a big fan of that. But it has to hold. It's the same rules. There no special takebacks. It has to hold above this. What was resistance has to prove to be support now. And if it can't, then it's not ready for markup. Now, I will, here's the caveat. There can be some battle at that line. Something like this. Totally reasonable. I could see that all day. And then before it breaks out, you know, multiple weeks of this kind of like up and down, back and forth. But it has to show that it has to show strength. That's the punchline. It has to show strength. All right. I'm having some headset issues. Let me put this back. In the meantime, does anybody have any questions on any address anything directly? Realize I talk really project. That kills me. All right, so that's XMR. Link is another bag of mine, like I was talking about earlier, because it Really respects. The 200 daily moving average during its uptrend. Now it did break below and then broke above and the uptrend continued. And here we kissed along it. Did you get your TradingView cup yet? No, I did not. I DM'd him. I slid all up in them DMs. I was like, hey, how's your day? How's business? Everything good? Where's my fucking cup? And they're like, oh, it's in the mail. That's where I'm at. It's in the mail right now. So in terms of new alts, and there are a lot of them, and they keep coming, do you suggest to wait for its actual development for like a year or two? Bro, so this is what I tell everybody when we get into this discussion. All right, let me show you. It's like this. Like this. All right. You have your pie of your money. You, in my opinion, you need to come up with your risk tolerance. Okay? I'm not spelling all that out because I suck using it. But like for me, for example, I have kind of pretty hard rules that about 75 to 80% of my pie is all Bitcoin. Full stop. The end. No question about it. I don't have to give it another think. I don't think about it again. No matter what is in front of me, it stays Bitcoin. And then I have a section of my pot that I will use for different alts. And I'll spread those alts as efficiently as I can. And so maybe I'll have like 4 key alts that I like. Like for example, maybe that's Neo, maybe that's Ethereum, that's Link. And then this is like a hodgepodge of actually like what I call moon bags, where I'll actually buy some stuff and just throw it away on a treasure or whatever, like a ledger, and just have it there and just see what happens. You know, shit, crazy stuff happens during bull runs. So if you got $100 and you just want to throw it onto something, I don't think there's any shame in that, as long as the chart looks half decent. For example, like something like Nano did crazy returns, and now, you know, while it is in the sustained downtrend, throwing $50 on a Nano is not a crazy idea. Stuff just goes wild. Reducing the risk because the likelihood of all collapsing is low. Makes sense. Thanks for the answer. Yeah, absolutely. But here's the thing a lot of people don't do as well. Let me see if my chart is still... Yes, okay. So here's the deal. Maybe Ethereum was a big winner, right? Let's say this was your Ethereum pot here. Let's say it was a huge winner and you made like a 10x on it at the time everything else went 20% up. You need to keep this risk profile. So reallocate. This is just me, you know, personally giving, you know, friendly advice. You do what you want. But if you have one of these bags that pulled a 10x, take some profit, put it into Bitcoin, which is on its big macro bull run, and roll the rest. You know, keep half of it in there, whatever. But keep an eye, like, keep in your head that at some point your pie will become very different, and at some point before you know it, like maybe that's Bitcoin. You're only 50-50, where you have like Bitcoin and then alts, but you didn't mean for that, right? Like you didn't intend for that, but just because your alt place did really well, everything kind of got out of whack. So just keep an eye on that. It's the same thing stockbrokers do and bond management stuff, you know, all that stuff. So just keep an eye on that. That's the end of my rant. You're saying pull out from the alts as you win towards the sure thing. That's kind of what I feel like as well. Yeah, but like me saying that, I'm trying to, you got to come into this stuff knowing your game plan before you're face to face with a crazy gain situation. Because like, for example, I was a big, I was in the ICO for Dragon. And this chart doesn't tell half the story. Can this pull KuCoin stuff or no? Bittrex, KuCoin. Yeah. Oh. All right, let's see how far back this goes. Ah, shit, I can't. Okay. So I was an ICO guy for Dragon Coin just by sheer luck. Like, it just caught my eye and I bought it, whatever. So Dragon Coin went from 4 cents or 5 cents to $10. No, $5. $5. It was a 100x situation. And when you see stuff like that, all of a sudden, so $1,000, like if you had $1,000 in there, is now $100,000. So the greed gets you. It gets you. Like, and you have this plan to kind of reallocate risk and this and that, and you're like, yeah, whatever. But then you see this stuff and you're like, oh my God, it was a 10x, now it's a 50x, now it's on its way to 100x. And now Dragon's actually trading like below ICO. So there's a lot of people who that greed bug got them. You know, that little goblin was on its shoulder, like whispering, no, just hold it. No, don't sell. No, don't take profit. Just hold on to it. So the winners are the guys who sell their alts and hold Bitcoin for the long term, like full stop. You got to know that coming into it, because if you start playing the game of, oh, what if this is the next Bitcoin, blah, 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 then you've already lost and you're going to lose your money. Guys like Bitcoin Schmitcoin, who's in the chat. Yeah, I saw KuCoin was right there, but it was on the Bitcoin pair. I wanted to make my point on the USD pair. But guys like Bitcoin Schmitcoin know what I'm talking about. And he's actually RTS gamer. If you like this kind of content, he's way more like refined at it than I. But he's got some good stuff on YouTube, and then he's got a trading group and some other stuff too. But in fact, all this, like the Wyckoff stuff, I got from him back in the last bull run, back when I didn't know what the hell. But I think I'm equipped now. Like I'm mentally ready. Like I had a buddy who was calling me and he's like, bro, are you watching Bitcoin like every minute? And I was like, no. He's like, but it's breaking up. I was like, yeah, but we've been waiting for this for 2 years and it's only 13K. Like, that's cool, but we know it's going 6 figures plus, so you know, it's whatever. But he was like, he could not put his phone down, he couldn't focus, he was itchy. But if you kind of have the right mindset, everything's cool. Like, it's not going to take your life away. And just be careful with margin trade. That would be my end of my soapbox rant. Okay, the last thing I wanted to go over, but there's 2 things, and then I'm going to end the crypto segment, play some games with Fitty. One is PayPal. PayPal has announced they have entered the cryptocurrency market. They will allow their customers to buy and sell Bitcoin. There's some fine print to all this, but you know, do your own research, check it out. Punchline is Venmo, PayPal. You know, how many of your friends use that in their own life, and now they can actually buy it? Okay, the masses are coming. All right, so do you want to be the guy? Are you trying to buy down in the disbelief, hope, maybe even the optimism phase? Or you want to be the guy buying euphoria to then wait another 2 to 3 year bear market? Because guys like me and Schmitcoin, we've been waiting for where we are now since back in here. Like, we've just been sitting and waiting. So I guarantee you, we will be the guys to buy when people are capitulating, because that's where our head's at. And you got to like kind of program yourself to be there. So PayPal is going to bring all the people who will buy the next run, like that section of the next bull run, like guaranteed. Where the $1 billion whales were the ones to buy here and sell to those masses. So they're the ones raining down their liquidity to end the next uptrend. So be like the whales, ride their wake. All right, so that was number 1. Last thing is, this is something new that I'm going to be keeping an eye on. It's the MVRV Z-score, and it is the realized cap divided by market cap minus realized cap divided by some standard deviation. And what's really interesting in this is it has literally called the top of every single bull run. So as we gear into the next bull run, I'll be watching this just like I watch hash rate, just like I watch Bitcoin days destroyed, a number of other things, these metrics. And at some point they will all align, guaranteed, and that will be the top. So we'll keep our eye on it and hopefully be ready for it when it comes. But as you can see, these red spikes are what we're looking for. So these red spikes coincide with the highs. And just like December 17th of December 7th, 2017. So let's just do like a quick check. December 7th. The high was 16,000. Not too bad, considering the all-time high was 20,000 for like 3 days. You know, it was above that point, I mean, for 3 days, 4 days. So not too bad at all. So not only will it tell us the top, but it will also give us a very nice visual of kind of where we are during the macro bull run. This is just something else. Go from the minnow to the whale mentality. Yes. Like, you want to be the little suction cuppy guys that are like, you know, on sharks and whales and shit like that. You want to be that guy. And when you see big dicks making moves, you're like, yes. The remora. Yeah, exactly. You want to hook on and rock and roll. Okay. So Dave Portnoy is hilarious because he represents a lot of dumb money because he's got his like day trading army and all this shit. I'm going to be watching him to see if he basically buys the top because I think he will. So he exited. I wanted to check this real quick. He entered the market mid-August. And then 8 days later, he sold. Okay, so let's go check this out real quick. And then I'll conclude this segment. So I haven't looked at this ahead of time or anything. Let's just kind of see what's what. So he entered the market mid-August. So literally in here. And then let's call it like the 16th, 17th. So I bet he was in this candle. And then 8 days later, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He sold in here. So he sold, let's kind of be reasonable and just give him middle of the candles. He lost about 7% and then I remember hearing him gloat because he did not sell down here, but he sold in here. And he was like, ha ha, I told you it was a scam. Look at me saving money. Okay, look where it is now. And then he tweeted out, nobody dances on graves like the Bitcoin people. That was today.
I'll tell you one thing. I follow so many Bitcoin people and crypto. It's like Rico Bosco's hype team. When Bitcoin starts moving, I mean, they do the lambada all over the internet. They're just in like the conga line. The Bitcoin people like doing the dun, 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 1300, dun, 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 1400. Like we're all gonna get rich together. The parabolic guy, Pomp, the Winklevosses. I mean, they're just running around, sucking dicks, doing the lambada, doing the Congo. I'll tell you one thing. I follow so many Bitcoin people.
Pretty damn funny. Okay, so here's my takeaway from this. Keep an eye on when he buys. Watch for when he buys again. Because you may want to be thinking about exiting literally a day or two after he buys. But he's not buying right here. I love to see it. And what's more, a lot of the margin traders are either they were shorting, they got screwed on this recent move up. This is in recent time frames, or they're relatively flat right now. So what I hope to see is just some kind of grind sideways and the bears to come back out and be like, nah, this is bullshit. We're going back down. That's my prayer. We'll see what happens. But for now, what I leave you with is keep your eye on the weekly 20 EMA. Oh, that is not the right chart. B. Keep our eye on the weekly 20, and we'll just see what happens. All right, so before I end the crypto segment, does anybody have any questions or anything? We're going to switch over and do some gaming. Kind of chill. I think Bitcoin's really done its big move for the week. Even though I have a higher price target, I think it needs to consolidate at least a little. I don't expect we'll see. Anybody's got any questions? Or all right, I'm gonna pull up. All right, Schmitty. Just join any of the bullpens. I'll like. Schmitcoin just messaged me. Hold on, I'm buying more Link. No lie. That's actually really. This Portnoy thing was. By the way, if you like these kind of charts, like what we've talked about today, here's a link to my TradingView stuff. And then I started a YouTube as well. Chill that real quick. Doing all that. Free content. Educate yourself. Don't make me start a paid group. Smitty, I'm not looking at Discord, so just message. Oh man, $13,000. That's wild. That's wild. I got an email. Hold on. If anybody is in the chat. Okay, ready for you. Yo. You're always muted. Oh my God, why are you?
God damn it.
Always.
Dude, I started to watch the debate and I was just like, nah.
I did the same thing.
Why?
It was like 8 my time. I was gonna stream at 8:30, but I was like, well, maybe not because the. And I was like, no, fuck it. We're going live.
Still trying to buy some more Link, dog. It's about to make that fat edge-to-edge trade. You know what I'm saying?
On what? I'll pull it up.
Well, it's in the middle of one on the daily on Link USD, but the Link BTC chart is where shit's really gonna get weird. And I want to get some stanky on my hang down.
Yeah. Okay.
God, Bitfinex is being a real big bitch right now.
What's she doing?
Just busting my balls, dog.
Dude, I've missed this this edge to edge. Like I just didn't notice it.
Well, because you were already in it.
Yeah, I just didn't even pull it up. But
yeah, I opened up margin position on there because Bitfinex there's 3x leverage on Link, and so
I went to bed kind of disappointed in Link. I was like, oh, that was
Yeah,
kinda
and then you woke
chicken
up
shit.
a
I was like,
fucking
whoa!
yeah.
Now I'm a
I'm
millionaire.
sorry I doubted you.
I'm sorry. Who needs money? Anybody need money?
Yeah, exactly. What? Why can't I buy you? What the hell's going on here? Some bullshit? Are you kidding me? Do I need to like close and then reopen the position? Is this a joke?
Oh my god. Let me show you this on stream. Check this out.
I do not have your stream pulled up anymore.
Pull my shit up because you need.
Ugh, just did it. Okay. Kills my fucking computer, man. No, I will not. See it.
Read it.
It's backwards. What does that say?
It says "Gobble me, swallow me, drip gravy down the side of me," and it's a picture of.
Drip gravy down the side of me?
And it's a turkey.
That has got fucking repulsive, but great. Got that wet ass stuffing.
That ass stuffing. Dude, TRX failed.
Yeah, fuck TRX.
Massive failure.
Anything that, dude, my rule now is that anything that kind of looks like shit, I don't even touch it. Just
Well, yeah.
why
Fuck
fuck
with it.
something that's like
You got some good analogies. No, keep going. Don't stop.
I'm debating. I want to say this on your stream.
We're live. Hello, we're live. Dude, so we had a guy join the chat earlier while you're because I forgot, because I'm a professional streamer and all that.
Mhm.
I was in the StarCraft 2 game stuff, like when people were browsing for me on Twitch, I only showed up on the StarCraft 2. And he's like, why are you in the real-time strategy section? I was like, oh fuck, sorry, my bad.
Oh my God.
And he's like, no, I got some questions. And he actually stayed around, and it was like really
He's
good
just
back
some
and forth.
dude.
Yeah,
That's
just from the
hilarious.
StarCraft area. Yeah, funny. That was pretty fun. Don't put your dick in crazy, says Tex. That's actually a really good. Talking about these alts.
Yeah, you heard it here first, folks. You don't want that crazy dick.
Yeah. You seen that meme where the girl's like, no. Did I? No. But maybe. No.
That girl or
You know what I'm talking about?
no?
What Tex, help me out with this. It's like this chick.
Why the fuck? God, really busting my balls, Bitfinex.
Not giving it to you.
Yeah. The one nice thing that I love about Bitfinex that I miss about, because you know I can't use Kraken anymore, is that you can roll your unrealized profit into leverageable capital.
That is totally not gonna.
I know it's,
Big deal.
but it's only 3x, so it's it's not like crazy or anything.
Who would even?
Kombucha girl.
Yeah. This is the chick I was talking about.
Oh. Yeah, I've seen this meme before, but what does this have to do with what you were saying?
About putting your dick in crazy.
Oh,
This is-
why
this
is it
is
called
actually-
kombucha girl?
I have no
is she
idea.
sipping kombucha at some point in her life?
Maybe she tasted it. Maybe that's the whole deal. I've never seen the video. Look, she's
Oh.
drinking something.
Okay. Yeah. I'm not
Oh yeah,
interested.
she takes a sip. That's where it all starts. Ah.
Where it all began. Thank you, Bitfinex, you dirty hoe.
Did you see my monk meme?
Hey, while you're doing that, you should open up Tarkov.
I'm ready.
Yes,
to
yeah, I did see that actually. Yeah.
So good. I love
I
that
like how
this is a
I
thing.
like it. I like that it said at the bottom haircuts and chairs.
Do you know why it said that? Do you know the background of that?
No, does that have to do with Tone
Pierre,
Days?
no, Pierre Richard, which is his crazy Bitcoin maximalist. He moved to some new apartment, and there's literally no furniture, and people are like, "Oh, why'd you do that? You buy Bitcoin?" And he wrote he was very serious, and he posted this selfie, and he was like, "Who needs furniture when you could buy Bitcoin?" And there was like a futon in his apartment, literally the end. That's it, and a TV up on like a box.
Bro, that's $250, like tops.
Like that's I know, but he was like, but that's more Bitcoin you could have bought. And everyone's like, oh, okay, asshole, you know, whatever. And then so his old pictures, he's real clean cut, like a crew cut. And now he's got long ass curly hair. It's like crazy. He wears cowboy hats to like keep it tame. And he's like, yeah, I don't get haircuts either because that's more money for Bitcoin.
Dude, my hair right now is the longest it's been in probably like 15 years. It's crazy.
Why? Because you don't want the COVID cut?
No, I don't care about that because I've already had it. It's more so that like going and getting your haircut is such a pain in the ass now. Like it's just I went one time to go get my haircut and it was just a hassle. It wasn't even, to be honest with you, it wasn't really that big of a hassle, but it's more of a hassle than I was used to.
This.
And I was like, I fuck you and fuck your haircuts.
Have you never gotten a haircut before? It's no different from when you're like 5 years old.
No, I got a haircut once during COVID. Once.
I'm like, hell, I had to. I'm getting grays like real bad. So the longer I go, the more the grays like push out and like get all crazy. I'm like, all right, fuck this. I'd rather get COVID than have like gray hair everywhere. That's God's honest truth. Are we doing Tarkov or did you want to do some StarCraft tonight? I don't care either.
I kind of want to do a couple of rounds of Tarkov, but I'm down to fuck with some StarCraft memes after that.
We'll probably get irrationally.
All I'm saying is if I see that couch, I'm going to kill him.
All I'm saying is I'm going to try and probably fail. Oh, it hurts. Hurts. I got the chat pulled up over. Sir D, yeah, we'll run some here. Let us run a couple of these.
I got my hunter that I'm letting you borrow.
All right, let me roll that because I got nothing. I'm literally not even gonna bring a backpack or anything.
Okay. Oh, can you bring some armor? You cheap fuck. Buy some of that.
I don't have enough money.
Oh.
Sitting on 18 mil.
Okay.
I think I'm made of. Do I look
You
like
should
I'm
have gotten back a
rubles?
lot of your shit you lost last night. By now, right?
I only have like one. A call it. Okay. Flash drives. What are they? 35. No. But I have a bunch of, okay, my guys went to look. Sit tight, sugar.
Yeah. Sit tight, sugar tits. Be back in a jiffy pop.
Yeah, that's exactly what he said.
I think that's like I think that is from Ryan Gosling in some obscure movie where he goes like, dude, I do. He's actually a really great actor. You ever seen him in Drive? Are you fucking kidding me? He's so mysterious and sexual and violent.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's all I gotta say
No,
about
I'm not
that.
done. I'm not there yet. Don't stop.
Let me do you want one of these tea bullshits? One of these, what is this, TC 800s?
Oh yeah, you got Got another
with
one?
a spit guard on it.
I do. I get awful spitty.
All right, I'm joining the queue.
All right.
And share that helmet, that's for sure.
You know what I think I'm gonna do is just stay in the
No.
crypto section. Shut up. Like, no matter what game we're playing.
I mean, oh, I guess I've never streamed games, but
Shut up. What?
well, you should start by joining the fucking queue.
Oh my.
Very good start.
Do you have mags?
I have 1 mag in the rifle and 2 or 3 10-rounders of M61.
Okay. On my way, sugar tits. Wait, are we gonna do the shotgun meme?
Do you have it?
Get one real quick.
Well, use the hunter and the shotgun.
Yeah. Flea market. Flea market? This Taz wrappers. Oh my god, they're like 100 grand on the market if you buy one.
What? Is it a special shotgun?
Yeah, it's like a Taz called the Star Flashbang. You can only buy 6. Oh wait, what's the deal?
I don't know, dude. I'm just in the queue. Don't ask me.
Doing you over there?
Yeah.
I think I can only load one of these things. I can't stack a whole bunch of them.
What?
Yeah, it's like one reload. Oh, that's how they keep you from cheesing it too bad. All right, I'm in.
Oh, let me back out and join back in. Oh my god, you're not even bringing ears? I hate you. I hate you so much.
Pick a P?
You frugal fuck.
I'm back.
Are your kids doing trick-or-treating this year?
Yeah, we're actually gonna do it. We kind of went back and forth on if we're gonna let them or not, but our particular area has really, really low like COVID count, so we're just gonna do it. Give them some little normalcy. That's the hardest thing with kids is like, I went to a 4-year-old baseball game, and a kid in the outfield watched as a kid on the other team picked up his bat on accident, like because it was over by the home plate and everything. And he screamed from the outfield, "No, now you've contaminated it," or something like that. Like,
oh my god.
And I went over to him because I was one of the dads helping out, and I was like, "Hey, it's fine, it's fine." And he goes, "Well, now we have to clean it from the virus." And so like you have like 4-year-olds and 5-year-olds, and that's where their head's at. Like, the virus is gonna kill me. Don't touch my stuff. So anyway, we try to, anytime we can do something like normal, try to let them just.
Yeah.
Crazy. It's gonna be this whole generation of like germaphobes.
What the fuck is this queue time?
I'm
Dude, we're gonna
synchronizing
spawn
with
in like
players.
10 minutes late, I bet.
Yeah, I think you're right. Anytime there's a syncing with other players stuff, exactly what happens. I love this 13,000 cock teeth. Green. Did I just hard crash? Can you hear me? You there? Can you hear me? Yeah. Chat, everything kind of screwed up on me.
Dude, hurry.
God, I hard crashed. Like everything crashed. How late are we?
We spawned in 42:30. Isn't it the start time 44?
Full 45 minutes. I'm another 60 seconds easy. Everything goes wrong when I try to get your hunter. I think the game knows.
Hurry. Fuck. You're just standing out in the open.
Oh, I'm just hanging out there. My shotgun.
Yeah, bro. I fucking spawned you in. Terrible spawn too.
Where are we on the
Next to the train. Please tell me you're loading in.
loading map? Is 1 minute.
You're gonna load in and like right before you fucking get into your body,
Mm-hmm.
you're gonna get domed. You know what's funny is a helmet is sitting next to you.
Not yours?
No, a fucking penis helmet. It's like sitting on the ground here. So someone else spawned here, ran off, and we spawned in their spawn. Are you fucking serious? It's a discarded dick.
Preparing game, minute 50.
So many grenades going off at dorms right now.
Woo! I can't wait to take this the shotgun over there. Go say hey. What's up?
So is that shotgun that little 3-pump jump? Is that the one that shoots the flash?
That's my nickname, by the way.
Three-pump jump.
Yes. But I can only load a single flash shell in it.
Okay.
Here we go.
Load,
I'm in.
can you load the game? There we go. Alright, come over here. Hurry. Get in this little nook.
Good, I don't need your helmet.
Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, here, I got these for you.
Ah, my stems! What a guy. So good news, bad news.
Oh my god, give me that shit back. You didn't... Are you serious? Pick up the mag at least, for fuck's sake.
I did. I have no more space.
Dude.
You could hold the rest of it?
You're irritating me.
I can tell you're already mad.
Put it in your asshole. Do something with it.
It's all full up. My ass is super full right now.
Oh my god, give me that frag. Just know that when you go to reload a magazine, you're gonna drop one. You were so fucking chintzy that you couldn't bring a goddamn tactical vest. I hate you. I hate you so much.
Oh, you're so angry. Bad. Alright, go.
It's very possible we're gonna cut someone off that's rotating our way, by the way.
Yeah, like after they've already killed everyone.
Yeah. If that like I'm running fast as shit right now.
You're the fastest man alive. Oh my
so
god.
fast. Isn't that super bad?
Uh-huh.
He's the fastest kid alive.
He's the fastest kid alive. We couldn't catch him. Okay, I'm gonna roll with the shotgun out right now in the trees.
Okay.
Do you
Just
wanna
don't blind me,
experiment?
dude. Let me know before you fire, for fuck's sake.
I'm gonna be like, fire in the hole, and then pop it.
I wonder if it'll affect. Oh, does it affect you?
Just for a split second, but it's not a permanent deal.
Whoa.
What?
I saw a muzzle flash just right in front of me when that gun fired. Oh, inside, inside. Just run to the wall. Here, follow me, follow me. Follow me.
Scared? I'm so scared right now.
Follow me, follow me.
So scared. That's all at me.
Along the wall, along the... No, no, no. Wrong way. Oh my god.
I'm scared. I'm panicking. Okay.
Alright, geared guy just ran into dorms. First floor.
On the front door?
One dude. Yep, front door.
Okay, so here's what's great. If he peeks his head out, I'm at the trees facing first floor
inside.
door. Yeah, on our side, right? On 3-story?
Ready for this? I'm pushing.
Okay, don't shoot me in the back.
I know where you are.
Coming up.
Come on up. He's right above me.
Oh, it's letting me load here.
I think he. Third floor just open. Third floor just open.
Yep, agreed. Agreed. You want to open the door or no?
No.
Or when he runs down.
The fuck? Did you
He
see
must
that?
be shooting.
He's right above you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna open it.
Dude, I gotta shoot this light out. Hold on, hold on.
Okay, I was able to load 3 in here.
Okay, well. Door just closed. He's in, I'm pretty sure. Oh,
Yep.
He's in the hallway?
That's me! Oh my god! I'm gonna try to blind him. I got him! Push his ass!
Where is he? Oh, you ran out in front of me, dude.
No, no, it's fine. I was dead before that. Oh, what was that? Dude, I got him twice good, but like it did nothing to him. Oh, that was shitty.
I'm gonna die here.
That eyes my.
Dude, he's hacking.
Is he? Oh, no wonder.
Yeah.
That's shitty.
Yeah.
I was wondering how he was just blasting me through the trees as we were running to the other side. He head eyes me. So what happened to you?
I peeked him, shot him in the fucking face, and somehow he killed me first.
Better gamer.
He thoraxed me? What? He one-tapped me with what?
760.
BP? I had kill armor on.
It was a single shot, like just tap.
Yep.
Well, okay. What are we doing?
running it back, and you're gonna bring a fucking tactical vest this time? God, it infuriates me. So cheap. 18 grand. Jesus Christ. Like Warren Buffett always buying Big Macs.
Drive a Honda.
God, I liked that as well too. I hate you.
Why are you blaming me? Hacker
Because I
boy.
liked that as well, and I'm dead because of you. Yeah, you
Man,
fucking
I thought I got him
nailed
good.
my ass. I don't know. Are you sure it's as good as you think it is?
Yeah, because I'm on the receiving end of it, and it was like a full 60 seconds of not seeing shit.
All right, I'm gonna bring my M1.
I'm gonna bring this sweaty 6X that I. Oop.
All right, armored tactical rig it is. Second. I gotta get more. So many things I gotta bring now. Hemostat. Propadol.
Actually, okay, yeah, I'm good.
I don't know if I am. I can't. I've just had a loadout for so long. I haven't had to build a character. I don't remember. Oh, glad I checked my ammo situation. I almost brought in a stack of SP5 or SP6. What are we running? Are we doing customs again?
Yeah, let's do it again.
All right.
We need a really good custom.
You owe us this, Nikita. You fuck. You owe me this.
Where was he when he killed?
In the middle of the fucking hallway.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, like he wasn't even like. He wasn't even trying. Dude, I swear my dog never wants to go out, never asks me to go out until I start talking through the microphone. And then she's like, nope, now's the time, motherfucker. This is what you get.
Think you're doing?
You thought you were having fun? Not on my watch.
I got that giant ass security camera scope on mine.
I saw. Goddamn surveillance camera.
See everything. Loot pooling. Like straight in. 30 seconds late, of course.
Dude, yeah, I'm already over this shit. Why the hell does that keep happening? Why is my flashlight just permanently on? What the hell's that about? Just you goofing.
Either having a giggle.
What do you have an AK or what?
It's a 366 AP rounds. You hit like a fucking truck.
Shit. Yeah.
But they're single shots. That's the downside. What are you rocking?
I'm one. So they got no close quarters.
Nah, we blow close quarters.
Literally just did a complete 180 on.
What's your optic loadout?
I got a voodoo with a delta point on top.
Are we gonna push it? Take it slow because we're a little late, or
Oh shit, I didn't even check. How late are we?
30, 40 seconds. Little.
Okay, here's someone in there.
Footsteps running. Yeah. Into store. Very out of breath.
I'm very laggy.
Gab out in the courtyard. That's our canary in the courtyard.
Did you just push? Are you pushing up?
Yep, I'm in. Through the front door. Or the middle section, I mean. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, куда
Peek
он
it.
заскерился?
No, there's nobody there. Just peek.
Is it Rishala?
I don't know. There's just a dude staring at me.
It's just a normal scav. He's already gone.
Dickhead. Do my lay down thing. Hey, could you be louder? Was that a door?
That was a door. Is that downstairs?
Not above, is it? You'd be able to tell.
I I don't know, dude. Is that above us? No, I think it's below us. Is it in front of us or behind us? I don't know.
Yeah. Is it in me? I think it's in
just
me.
it's just a door to my soul.
What was it?
Are these what emotions feel like?
I think can scavs open doors?
Yeah, for sure.
Tripping.
No, it might have just been a scav. Scavs can open doors.
Is that you? Your flashlight?
Hmm?
You want to push to third? Sure, it'll be totally fine.
Oh, let me attach this to the flashlight here. See what happens if I can
Yep,
get like a
totally
super
waiting.
torch.
Pretty close. Headed up to third.
Still figuring out my flashlight situation. Hold on.
And third. Third is.
I have the brightest flashlight in the world. My flashlight is superior to all other
Flashlight?
flashlight. Are you? Where'd you go?
I'm at the end of the hall.
Hey, check out this torch.
Ooh, dude, money case. You don't need that because you've got. You're poor. I have to give it to you. You're the poor friend.
Here, you want this RPK then? You like RPKs?
Only when they're kitted out. I'm kind of lazy about.
I think someone's here. Sounds like you just pulled a parachute.
Such a good call.
Like when you're deploying from PUBG and you finally pull the chute.
Because it's louder than the aircraft engines. Yeah. What's up, Jova? Play a real game, you animals. Dude, get out of here. This is a real game. What's a real game to you? Like StarCraft? Because we may play that.
Keep
next.
them pinned.
Oh, dude, my voice has an
Мне
echo now.
наши
Did you
сказали,
hear that?
что тут юсеки бродят. Надо
Listen.
аккуратней.
Yes.
Check this out.
Push it, push it.
That's new.
Ах
That's
ты ж,
cool.
сука, у нас тут крыса!
Very aggressive.
Well, what do you want to do?
Rust in Warzone. That's the only. That's a real game for sure, but it's not. A game to
Whoa,
play
did you know
with.
you could see all the way to intersection from here?
Yeah, dude, that's when I was shooting at that guy who was
What?
running away before.
Oh, really?
I was like, not today, motherfucker.
I did not
You
did
can
not know
actually
this
run
line
to
of
the
sight
kitchen.
existed.
The little kitchen section has a better view.
Also, didn't know there's 2 jackets in here. Did you know that?
Yeah. But jackets. Yeah, StarCraft is a good game, but not when you're tired. Yeah. I
Dog is
hear you.
currently in my
I
fireplace.
am
right now.
tired, but I think we're gonna do. It depends how this run goes. If we have a really good run,
You unlocking a door?
no, that's directly below us. That's why it sounds like it's up our buttholes. Oh, there's a. The guy who just unlocked the door just got wasted. So there's somebody in our hidey hole
Uh-huh.
who wasted someone below us.
Alright, I'm scooting over to you.
Oh, that's a grenade launcher!
Is it?
Yes, 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 dude, you're right in front of me.
He's unlocking doors right below me.
So he's in the L.
This is terrible.
There's more below us, directly below us.
There's at least 2.
We're gonna get fucking grenade. Here's
If
the
he
play.
shoots a
Here's the play. Don't even peek from the corner. Kind of back toward the balcony, and only let them see me.
Well, you're fucking panting right now. So there goes
Why
our
am I
cover.
panting?
Because you're holding your breath while ADSing?
No.
And you're playing with your flashlight? What the fuck are you doing?
Did you shut the door? You have to
No,
shut the door.
I didn't shut shit.
Shut it. We're gonna get grenaded.
Shut what door? What are you
The
talking
one to the
about?
outside. My God.
If you could shut the fuck up.
I'm not even ADSing.
They're still opening doors, dude. He jumped?
Here we go. Get ready.
Why are you breathing so heavy?
It's the fastest kill alive.
Is this grenade gonna kill both of us at once? Probably.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
More of this, please.
Hey, can you not, please?
Hey, business boys, what's your algo? Yo, link your wallet, bro. Sending Bitcoin. I've come up with big size.
What kind of size were you
Game
talking
engine
about?
like Unity, but every time it does matrix multiplication, also mines.
So I think the dude with the grenade launcher is not friends with the guy in our hidey hole. By the way. Oh, he jumped. Jumping. He's jumping. He got hung up on the computer chair behind the bed.
Little jumping over thing.
Mm-hmm. Or he's in the living room below us, and he jumped up on
Mm-hmm. Peeked
the
up over
corner.
the deal. We're gonna get Jiggle Peak grenade launcher, and it's gonna be sick. Zoo, zoo, zoo. What's up, man? The marbles. We'll run marbles for like hours.
God, he's jumping again.
That's oh, down at the end?
I mean, I'm not peeking right now, so
No, it's all me. It's all me. Giving you a call. He has not opened the door yet.
wait, he's at the end of the hall.
He was. He sprinted back to the mid, I'm pretty sure. Or they may have split their forces on. There's at least two.
Mm-hmm.
Every time I think he's about to peak, he's actually still below us.
Yeah.
Itch.
I know that this dude's gonna whiff the first shot and kill me.
Why would you say?
That's how I
Let me be the death. Like he'll jiggle peak grenade launcher me. I'm dead. Don't even make a sound. And when he runs up to loot me, wipe his ass. Oh. Okay.
He's coming.
That is coming.
Two people.
Got him!
There's another coming. That wasn't the grenade launcher guy, by the way.
I clicked the center of my mouse, so I actually came out of ADS as I shot, and it's a miracle I connected.
Your gun was just lined up.
Holy shit! Yeah, because I was tracing him, tracking him. One tap.
Just give me another one.
Do we push him or no? Because that's the
No,
thing with
'cause-
the GLs. He can't noob tube us point blank both. Like if I push and he kills us both, and then you can loot all of us.
No, I don't think so.
400.
I think he's coming. He's got an axe.
Got him! Good night, bitch. I'm pushing. Come with me.
I don't think that's the grenade launcher guy.
I don't either, but we need to hold this angle. And I need heal. Fucked. Why can I not?
You have a heavy bleed?
I mean, I think so, but it's like, you can't use your thermostat. Why not?
That's what happened to me, dude.
Oh, it's a light bleed, and that's only for a heavy bleed.
A heavy bleed can't fix a light bleed? What kind of logic is that bullshit?
They didn't ask me. There you go. That's
Someone's
that was
still
a real
moving. Someone's still
battle?
moving. Pretty sure.
I'm moving now. Okay, let me loot this dude real quick. Just cover me. Where are you? Where are you?
I'm in my spot, still holding the hallway. In case someone comes in the long end of the door.
A level 1. Amazing. He did have a Ronin helmet. That.
So who's got the fucking grenade launcher then?
I don't think we've found them yet. Got some sprats.
Was he shooting an Asval or what?
I haven't checked the second. Alright, I'm looting the body right here. This guy's got out of a sick ass MPX.
Oh, that's what it was, MPX.
Pin rig. Are diaries worth anything? Flash drive.
20 grand.
Tries it. Whiskey.
That was loud as shit even over here. What the hell? They have
Gotta
to fix that.
shit. Yeah, no,
That's so. It sounded like you did it right next to me, dude. Literally, had I not been looking at you, I would have thought you were next to me.
thought he had me too. I don't know why he pushed that. All right. Okay.
So where's grenade launcher boy? I wonder if they killed him.
Yeah, but why would
No,
they
because
have had it?
no, because we heard a grenade launcher round go off after the first guy died.
Think he's down there just chilling out or what?
But I couldn't tell where it was. It might have been in 2-story. Like he might have been in 2-story lobbing grenade launcher rounds at these guys.
Half. Okay, well, I got a bunch of juices.
I'm a bit parched.
Sprats. You want to go see what all the motion was downstairs?
Yeah, I'm just scared of that fucking grenade launcher.
I'll lead. I'll take point.
You got any more juice on you?
Yeah, I got the juice. There's a full water. On the floor, kind of where you're going out.
Blam! Double kill.
Dead dude on the stairs. Out of blood, Jesus.
This guy's a Taz. You think he's got those rounds in it?
Didn't even think of that, maybe.
No, it's just normal shitty ammo.
The dead dude right here. Stab. Stab with a shotgun.
No, there's definitely a dead PMC down here.
Check in the bathroom. You hear this tile? This kind of from when they were in here.
Did you already push into the living room?
No. I'm in the bathroom.
So I have a feeling I'm gonna round this corner. I'm gonna grenade
I'm
in
in
the
here,
fucking
don't worry.
face.
You go first. Let me do it.
I'm so startled.
Nothing. Weird. I mean, we heard that. We both
Yeah,
heard
100. I saw two. I heard 2 rounds.
Boom.
So.
Maybe he killed himself, dude. I mean, hell, that's something I
not
would
out
do.
of the question. You would do that.
I'm not gonna lie. Exactly what would happen. Let's see what they were looking at over here. Over. Oh, they were unlocking doors, I guess. Looted computer. Okay, they just looted. Let's go check first.
Yeah, there's a dead dude on the stairs.
Where would you guess the grenade launcher sound came?
I have no idea.
Now, okay.
Fuck.
What a dick.
Oh, let me get my dog some water real quick. Just pushing a bowl in the fireplace. Want some water?
Thirsty. Buy Bitcoin. So you know. End of PSA segment. What's Bitcoin is? I think tomorrow I'm gonna do like a several hour. I think tomorrow I'm gonna do like a several hour stream of just marbles.
Sounds like shit, right?
Dude. People love that.
So
I
weird.
don't know why.
People or like one person?
No, like 10 to 15 people. And I'll only do it for like 30 minutes to an hour.
I forgot I had this money case on me.
Boom. Boom.
Okay. Want to go to skeleton from here, or?
Sure. Oh, you can't wear ears. That's why they didn't hear us upstairs. When you have this Ronin mask thing on, you can't have ears on.
Really?
Do you want to go to 2-story?
I mean, for what?
I want to see if Grenade Boy was in there and killed him. That's my thought.
Can I not break this window? Is this a joke?
God, you're...
Hello?
No one heard you, dude. You're so stealth.
Come on. Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Huh? Some titty?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Right.
I'd love to check
I
out
don't.
2-story.
I don't want to run. I don't want to run across the courtyard. 'Cause if that GL dude's
Like this? No, I'll just do it. Let me be the bait. And then if I get GL'd, then you'll
already
know.
out here.
And you'll be like, oh yeah, that was a bad move.
Well, all the lights are fucked up in here,
Yeah.
so it sounds like. Oh, these doors are all open too. Dude, these guys hit everything.
I wonder if those guys had the GL, used their 1 or 2 rounds, ditched it.
And
Pushed
He
us.
ditched it. Where would they have ditched it though? Oh
In a case, maybe?
no, in the living room on the second floor. Is this new? Has this slot always been here?
None of the jackets.
The entire first floor was wiped out.
Probably, you know what? If they were gonna dump it, it'd be outside.
No, I don't think they dumped it though, because I heard a grenade launcher round go off after the first guy died. So if anyone ditched it, it was a second guy, and it was inside dorms.
Then I remember going. What? Where do you want to go?
Do you want to go check the second floor real quick?
Yeah.
Because I heard him jumping, so I'm wondering if he stepped it behind a bed.
I didn't like to say it.
There's no way he put it in an obvious spot. He's also... So, I'm wondering...
We heard him go down this way, down the L.
I heard him jump a couple of times. I don't know. I have no idea.
Every nook and cranny. Oh, fuck that door. Take it.
Let's go to skeleton. It's highly uneventful. Oh, the knife back just sitting here. Neat. Dude, we've heard like no other gunshots.
Looks like everybody pushed all at once. And yeah, okay, I don't see it. Alright. Well, we tried.
Shit.
Oh, fuck me. Okay.
It's gone.
Where are we going?
Skeleton.
Okay. Okay, going downstairs, first floor.
You just jump. You guys
Yeah,
found
I'm
an
out.
ophthalmal scope in here.
Oh, nice, dude. 100K. Yeah, I'm outside.
Just in a random duffel bag. You're outside?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you just jumped out the window. Dude, you blended in really well with that bush. I didn't even fucking see you.
Intention.
Pineapple shit.
Which one folder now? We could have taken the car. But
Yeah, but let's go. Now that there's like, you can find anything in any box now. That's what we should go check out.
hold on, I'm overweight. So.
From what? Oh, from their carrying around dead bodies.
Mm-hmm. Side of it. You just left me.
No. Rashala?
Freshy.
Couchman? Are you back?
Couch man.
I hear someone there. The fucking sun shining on the wall. I wonder if we should go check the intelligence room.
Yeah. None of this stuff looks like it was hit
Oh, nice. I guess no one even made it to this half of the map.
yet. Yeah, you're right on the intelligence. We should hit that.
Dude, these boxes spawn such good shit now.
I need beef stew.
Well, go in the lunchroom or the snack room.
I was gonna give you a free handy, but
That's a different kind of beef stew.
hey, extra. Oh my god, there's an alpha rig in this container. Game's empty.
Look at all these juices. I raise my milk levels up. They're lacking.
They're juicy.
Fruit flakes. Don't mind if I do. I'll top it off with this nice juice. Drink some pineapple juice for my man.
Look at the booty.
I'm gonna spoil you with some pineapple juice. Look, there's another one. I've seen this. There's whores everywhere.
I don't mind.
Alright, let's go to intelligence spawn, I guess.
We're going upstairs or no?
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, the door toward intelligence is.
Search,
that's all.
please.
What is that room?
Can I say that again? Usually, what is it exactly?
There's two doors you can see from here at intelligence spawn. The first
Yeah.
floor, and then the stairwell one. Both of them are clear. At least one of them.
Oh, yeah.
It says like a law bag.
Gas analyzer? What the hell's that about?
Gassy.
Do anal if you're gassy?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get some intelligence. Are you fucking kidding me? I took damage from that?
Break your shit.
I'm overweight, apparently. You.
Alright, we're gonna go flip the shit. Or just push on
Yes.
to whatever. Oh, I just broke
Legs.
everything. My everything broke.
Mid-air.
Did you call it?
Yeah, I was like, you just broke your legs.
Oh, wait. Hold on. Let's go intelligence.
That's what I said before. You said you wanted to flip the switch.
I'm sorry.
Dude, you take a painkiller. You look like you just slipped a disc in your back.
Just kill me.
Alright, back. My leg. My leg. Dude, I think that's one of the funniest things from SpongeBob SquarePants. That my leg thing. Like where?
Because I didn't watch it all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like I've seen it, but I don't know it enough to like, know all the little inside jokes.
Oh, it's not an inside joke. It's like, you know how like in shows whenever like there's just chaos or whatever, there's just like a like default sound of like pain or horror or something that like the show will use.
Yeah.
And whenever that happens in SpongeBob, there's just like, you know, they'll be like screaming or whatever, and then you'll hear someone in the background like faintly go, "My leg, my leg." I think someone's in here.
Find out.
My leg. It's like a question and then an answer.
My leg.
My leg. Maybe this isn't. No, I don't think this is it. I just found a fucking iFac on the ground. Fucking iFuck.
The upstairs doors are shut again? I swear I find that like every time.
Maybe that's the way they spawn now, but they didn't use. They used to spawn open.
Seems okay. Alright, I'm gonna check in here.
You're gonna check in here.
I'm solo.
Intelligence. Don't mind if I do. The fuck?
Your poor friend. Take it.
Another intelligence right here that you missed. I'm just kidding.
Blinding
Look
because I was.
at all these golden stars on the ground.
What did we say about diaries? Green diaries? Before?
They're worth 20 grand. Like 40 grand.
Bad.
Didn't you find a an injectable in this corner one time?
Yeah, they're all over the. Watch the dude be in there with the GL. Boonk.
I've been waiting for you. There's nothing in here. There isn't a goddamn thing. But we can go to the UN. It's right here. I don't even hear any scabs shooting or anything. Fucking dead game. You splint your legs or anything?
But I'm so overweight, I can't do anything. Getting fat boy breathy.
Bunch of dead scabs right here.
Yeah.
I'm out?
No, this is a player.
Oh, I'm gone. I'm a PMC. Have you ever seen that meme of like, it's a dude peeing in an empty row of urinals, and a dude walks in and deliberately stands next to him?
I mean, I know you're talking like. No,
It's
there's
like-
a particular. Oh yes. It's like
Yeah.
boxes of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one's really funny. It's just like, it says me, and then the dude walking up to him is Facebook. He stands next to him to pee, and it just looks at him and goes, "Are you registered to vote yet?"
I was hoping it was a vote thing.
It's fucking irritating. Yes, I'm registered to vote. God damn it. I did it like a decade ago. Get off my nuts.
Yeah, but are you gonna vote for the right person? That's
Yeah,
what they're really.
that's what that means. Dude, seriously, that's what they're asking.
And
It's
we
like
all know it.
every time someone goes, make sure you go out and vote. What that means is make sure you go out and vote for Biden.
The end.
That's you never hear a Trump voter go, make sure you go out and vote, because they don't give a fuck.
Don't do it. Somebody tweeted, "Man, this election's so tough. I just love both candidates so much."
I know. What a joke. All right, you want to do fucking fuck? What the hell it's called?
Yeah, let's do it. Good.
Okay.
Oh no, my
Yeah.
generator. Okay.
It's funny how not buggy StarCraft is. Like it's pathetic that that is like even impressive. Dude, it blows my mind how unwilling people are to pay for things that will make them money.
What do you mean?
Like the people that will frequent my stream, say they follow me for years, but won't pay $50 to see my trades for a month. Like people's estimation of like what value is so weird to me. Like surely you would think that so you'll sit there and suck some random dude's dick on Twitter who's
Right?
consistently wrong, but someone with a proven track record and is like killing it this year. $50, like, do you not think you will make $50 out of what I'm providing? It blows my mind. Like, do you like what exactly is going through your brain here? I don't know. Really
I'm
weird.
with you. Okay, hang on. So here's the deal. I've got some guys who are already playing. They want to add us two and do a 3v3 desert storm. So it'll be
How is
Sir
that
D.
possible?
Like it's basically like a local. We all get in a group,
Oh, okay.
but it'd be you, me, and Sir D.
It's fine. Let's get the boys back together.
Yo,
Hey,
drug your ass up here. Is that okay? You ready?
did you see my text? The other guy's in there.
Oh, text left. Oh shit.
Text
Okay.
left. Yeah. So we have 5.
So we'll just get one rando.
Yeah, we can do that.
That's fine. I just don't want like 5 people in the room for calm's sake, especially on.
That'll be brutal.
It'd be straight
I got you. I got you.
talking over.
All right. Let me.
I need to get Dayman. I suggested to party. Whoever the party lead. To like a scary ass avatar.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, fucking spooky.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 in the party now. Okay.
That's 4. Oh, wait,
Well,
where's the fifth?
it'll only show
It
5,
only shows.
Okay.
but it'll say. So I'm going into.
Move me back down. I'm gonna tell them what we're doing. Then you move me back up.
I will be playing a single one.
Yeah, Sam. That's.
All right, I'm dropping you now.
I mean, a single one takes a fucking hour, dude.
I know.
Or Justin.
I'm not.
Nope.
All right. Jack, you need to join. You hadn't clicked it either.
Oh, because I tabbed out. Busy writing Trump and Biden 20.
Click it. All right.
So do any of you guys play... Oh, word. But have any of you guys played, like, the campaign?
No.
Wait, you see that it didn't do it right?
Wait.
Host,
Who's this
Surdy,
guy?
Surdy.
No, that's fine. I told you we're gonna have a rando.
I know, so it's gonna be, it's me, Day, and the rando, and then you and the other guys?
Yeah, it's fine. Is that?
Alright.
Oh, then why are you in our chat then?
No,
Oh,
I'm gonna
yeah.
drop you back.
The fuck?
Drop me back. Sorry.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
He was just not going to communicate with Steam.
I was like, what are you doing? Shit. Wipe. Actually, he was sending me shit at work today about like great counters and if you're Zur going up against Protoss, the best stuff to do, etc.
Mm.
Holy shit, that's like the fastest load, I think.
Yeah, that was crazy. The fuck? What race is that guy? He's Protoss as well? Okay, that works. Zerg PP. Zerg PP.
Me versus Sir D.
Wait, so are they watching your stream right now?
Yeah, but it's not. I don't think
God
it's gonna
damn
help
it.
them.
I'm trying. This is important. This matters.
You have not enough minerals.
It matters,
You
dude.
have not enough
I like winning.
You
If
have
you're not,
not
if you're not,
enough
if
minerals.
there's one thing you've learned about me, isn't
Hardcore.
You have not enough minerals.
I'm a competitive everythinger.
Oh, look how slow they are. Oh my god, a full 3 seconds behind.
Oh, GG.
Yeah, I hit him with it. Nice gas.
Auto end. Easy mode. Just hitting him with all caps.
You have not enough minerals.
This rando on our team, like, God, these guys are toxic as fuck.
I think I'm gonna just.
Honestly, I'd be fine if you did leave.
Right?
You have not enough.
This is like the one game where it literally doesn't matter.
You have not.
And especially
What other
considering
things-
he's pro as well.
You have
Oh, I missed that completely. I'll say, in this little thing I was reading, that Sir D had sent me, it talks about putting out like 8 to 10 centuries. I've never done that. I've always had like 2 or 3.
I've never seen anyone do that.
But he said it's all about the holograms because it distracts
Yes.
the incoming fire. And so you can get
Yes.
8 to 10 of them and it just gets wild.
I'm about to make his wings my bitch here in a second. Oh, nice. He's got the kite. He's got the kite.
Oh, we got a pro! You know they're on there and like, wow, this try hard.
Look at all those lings, dude. I'm about to... Nom 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 nom.
Gobble them up. A little tougher than I would have expected.
You have not enough minerals.
Don't forget gas. It's about the.
Yeah, I'm gonna be late on this gas. Actually, no, I'm not. I timed this really well. You're gonna be late.
Shut up.
You're sitting there telling me to get this gas. You're late as fuck, dude.
I'm super late. I know, but that's why I warned you.
Don't make my mistakes.
Do as I say, not. Late as fuck. They saw it too. Shit.
You have not enough minerals.
That was later.
Wow, this is pretty easy to push.
Look at this kite. Look at this pro kite.
Oh, the kite. Got it.
I'm about to win this exchange here too.
I don't know. These adepts are
No,
pretty
I have too
hard.
many lings. The nice thing about look, I just fucking destroyed him.
Yep.
The lings, it's too much DPS, especially early game.
Command center upgrade.
Dude, I'm about to pop his egg.
Do?
You have not enough.
Command center upgrade complete.
Oh, the.
What? Oh, we got Dark Templar.
Oh, you gave it away. They're watching us.
You have
Well, they can see it, can't they?
minerals.
They can see their guys down.
Command center upgrade complete.
That's bro.
Oh my god. Look at all the roaches. Holy shit, that's a lot of roaches.
You have not enough.
He's gonna pop it.
On this push right here?
Because
With the dark.
here come my units.
GG. Hitting them with it. Gas. Oh, damn it. Everyone's so much earlier than me. So bad. Oh, look. Extra money. Just like I planned.
Okay, bitch, leave me alone, man. Still no detectors, I see. Dude, our egg is completely untapped.
Here's my army. We're ready for the high temple.
Wisdom through adversity.
Dude, Armadillo just gassed. I know, how embarrassing for him. I hope his parents aren't watching.
Aw,
Oh my
shit.
god, that monster
It
killed
one-tapped
all my
your
lings in
zing,
one
yeah.
swipe.
Gave him a big hug. There's Dark Temple. Must not be watching me. Not have the volume up.
Are you a little offended by that? Like, why aren't they cheating?
Where'd you
I
cheat,
thought you were
guys?
watching.
I need the numbers. Dark stuff.
Shoots lightning bolts from his brain.
Formed a D
Did I?
from his dick.
Maybe I was gonna say from his dick.
No, I don't even honestly know who I'm paired up against. Is it this? Is it this Zerg right here?
What do you mean?
Like, who my true combatant is?
Yeah, this one. Cause you just spawned, right?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Is that your Dark Templar?
I'm not.
They still don't have detectors. Oh, never mind. No, they do.
They're gonna start cranking them out. I'm just not gonna put money in. Oh my god.
Yep, get fucked.
Somebody put a ton of sentries out.
I don't think I lost a single unit. I'm invincible.
I mean, you cheating?
Do they have a Zerg at all? What are they? 2 Terran and a Protoss?
No, it's a Zerg. It's one of each.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, yeah.
Pretty good little army. Sir D, yeah.
Better Zerg.
There's some of those berserkers out there. Just to handled.
Get handled. Dude, that is so many adepts. Holy fuck.
God. That's armadillos.
I'm calling
Crazy
hacks. He's hacking? My dad can beat up your dad?
My God, look at all the Marines. Speaking of a shitload of stuff.
Yeah. Fucking try hard mode over here. Didn't realize we were doing that. Alright. I guess I'll have to start trying now. This game is like the least try hard game ever. You just like once every 2 minutes you just throw out units.
Exactly, and then you just sit back.
You're like, oh, I'm just gonna wait.
Take a sip of your Mountain Dew.
You have not enough minerals.
Alright. Get fucked, Zerg.
Dude, you already got Colossus? Dude,
Worry about
GG.
that.
We win. Easy mode.
I'm gonna push crazy fast. I've got tanky boys in front.
It's fucking adepts though. Let me try to get the come on, get in there, get in there. Blech.
Got in front of my Colossus and my Immortals. They're both still up.
There's so many observers on the field right now. What the hell?
I don't really know
You
what's
see
going on.
that?
Yeah.
Oh no, Rip Colossus.
Ooh, that is a shitload of what is it? Cyclones. Is that the upgrade to the Marauders? I don't really know it well enough to know.
I don't know either, to be honest with you.
Alright, here's the real battle.
You should keep it. Yeah, I'll get in there.
Nice, good push.
Simulation successful.
I feel like I'm gonna clean this wave up too, because you got that. Oh, maybe not. Holy fuck!
He's got a really good counter going. Holy shit!
Jesus Christ!
That was.
He just chewed right through my ass. Chewed through my ass.
I'm sorry.
Assimilation successful.
That his Colossus, or is that your same Colossus still out there?
My same one, still there. Here's my next army. Put through.
Oh shit! Thought you were trolling me for a second.
So disgusting, dude. I just
You just shit all over him.
Oh my god.
I think the Colossus might be my favorite unit in the game. It's so cool. Like
The whole
War of the
design and
Worlds,
everything.
motherfucker. Look at that push.
Such a good push.
All right, now we're gonna clean them up. We have to. We have to. We
got
have to. Look at
3 of their
this.
cannons down. Actually, they're gonna hold us because we're fighting their cannons. Like our army's divided.
Oh, fuck. Slowly but surely, though, we're chipping away.
Good Zerg push. I hand it to him. That was his army. This is my army. MZ guy. I have more of a meat shield in the front than he does, I think. So it's absorbing a lot of the hits. Oh my god. Oh my god. But this Terran unit.
I know, I got a bunch of hunter killers this time for that shit.
Okay, all the cannons are down now. And now it's like more toe to toe.
Oh, you got 2 Colossus coming out now?
Wow, we took him out. Awesome. You know, they're over there talking. How many booms? How many booms? What should we do?
They're doing boom math.
I'm doing boom.
Yeah, like if I boom now, then we can boom twice later, and then they can boom us.
Dude, my Immortals is sitting there tanking them.
The Immortals are beefy as fuck.
Jesus. That army was fucking huge, and they just sit there and took it.
Like the whores they are.
Oh, actually, that was the guy before me. This is my army pushing in. Holy shit, this is just... Oh, and here come the little Zerglings. What's up, RTS? You called it, man. SC is a better game. Alright. So I'm gonna start being Cheeseball McGee. Doing
Oh,
Tempest.
dude, melting. Just absolutely melting.
Oh, it's Tempest
God.
time. Have they boomed yet or no? They haven't done
No,
any, right?
they're gonna have to soon.
Or they're just gonna be like, run it back.
Surdy
Stupid.
is he's always a late boomer. No pun intended. He does. He likes to. He takes too much damage on the cannon before he likes to boom. They should honestly what they should have boomed early and just gotten a full reset.
Yeah.
Because now we're just cramming it down their throat.
Yeah, you're right, RTS. So what's funny is these are some friends of mine. So it's like basically three of my friends versus me and Schmitty, and then a rando. The third guy on our team we don't know. But there's 5 of us. We all know each other.
I don't think they've been past their midline like yet this game. It's all about that gas, dude.
It's all about that. You know, they see my one Tempest out there and they're like, oh shit. Just because of the implication of that. They know once I start doing Tempest, I just shit them out.
The thing is you're gonna force them to go tier 3 tech.
Yeah. And they don't have the money or the income or anything. Like that yet. They can't even hold off our tier 1, tier 2 guys. Sir D's over there like, nah, just hold on. Just hold. You don't got to boom yet.
Yeah, why haven't they boomed
They're
yet?
screaming at him. There, they just
There
did it! Armadillo's like, fuck you, I'm
He's
doing
like,
it.
enough is enough. I'm booming. Fuck this. It's like, I'm sick of your shit. I'm booming.
Ooh. Oh, man.
Cool.
This is a hell of a push, though. I gotta hand it to him.
Nah, that's not good shit. You have 3 Tempests already? Oh my god. Good god. I should be safe at last.
Did they just... Oh. I thought they boomed. Like, that really threw me off.
I'll clean his up too. Because my corruptors are about to fuck up his air. No, did I clean him up too? No. He got Tempest.
Yep. And he has an air to ground fade initiate. Pretty good.
Oh, what the hell?
Here's MZCs. Got a pretty good arm.
So many Marines. Jesus Christ.
Which is kind of dumb against a bunch of Colossus. Oh, it's because this dude has no High Templar. MZC or whatever, he has 0 High Templars in his group. Here's my guys. I think I have 2 High Templars. Kind of pushing through me. They got some chompy boys. His Ultralists.
I'm about to puke out a shit. Oh, never mind. I was about to say I'm about to puke out a shitload of Zerglings.
Their tanks are stacking up.
My new meme that I like to do is once I like to just shit out a ton of Lings, because by this time people are getting late game stuff and the Lings just like sit there and absorb like tank damage and shit.
Okay.
It just like delays, you know, an extra couple of seconds.
They're gonna get our fuck boy.
No, they're not getting her egg. I might boom them just to prevent them from doing it, honestly. Because that's a huge. I'm gonna boom this wave.
See how this dude, how they go right here. He may get enough.
No, he has all those Marines. I'm booming.
All right, I like it. Rotagery.
Dude, just wait till you see how many Zerglings come out on my next wave. It's gonna be offensive.
This is my wave. God damn, those Ultralists are strong.
Look how many. So many Zerglings, dude.
Oh, look at them! Get in front of my boys.
It's like the mortar and the brick wall. It is
Right? My Tempests are still back there.
I'm making his Tempest my bitch, though.
Raptors are way up there.
Get collapsed, bitch. That is so many units. God damn. Yeah.
It's even
Save the
drawing the fire
Colossus.
of my Tempests. Like, they're shooting individual Marines, one at a time. And the reload time is, like, crazy long. RTS, what do you mean enemy blue is mining 2k per minute?
Well, they lived for now, anyway. Dude, those tanks are pushing back now.
Well, we haven't built any counters to their builds because we've just been gassing.
Yeah. I haven't been paying attention if they're on time for their gases or not.
They are. Pretty even.
Dude, your Tempests survived. They're gonna stack this time. We're gonna have 6 Tempests next wave.
That's like kind of in-game bullshit. Force a boom.
Dude, I hate that the cannon is always shooting. It's really annoying.
Which cannon? What are you talking about?
Like the based cannon, the fortress. Yeah, it's like sitting there firing in the air.
Yeah. I never even looked.
Like if you sit there and look at the battle, it's just flying across the screen. It's obnoxious. All right, here come you're gonna stack your Tempest. Oh my god.
Survive! Oh, Ultralists. Very nom-nom-nommy.
Get there, get there. Aw, we'll probably lose him.
My guys. Go, go, go,
Lose
go, go.
one.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe one. I lost one. I've got 4 more coming in. Isn't income peak above you guys hard after they boom? Yeah, I got you. This is a good little toe-to-toe right here. I love all your Zerglings rushing it. But their High Templars kind of fuck you up.
Yeah.
You need to start going in-game stuff, tier 3 stuff.
I'm getting Swarm Guardians now.
Or even Ultralists to come in there and make it.
Swarm Guardians are gonna fuck the Marines up and a Hydralisk.
Dude, should I do a mothership?
No. Motherships suck, dude.
kind of like weirdly effective if done right. They just have to not have a lot of detectors up. I don't see a lot.
I do. I see a fucking mountain of them.
It's these things killed their Hydra because of zealots. Yeah. This is a, like, the guys we're playing against, Sir D, he's actually really good at StarCraft. Not like, you know, world class or anything, but he understands the mechanics of countering builds and stuff like that. So he's not to be slept on. All right, so I need more ground and because I'm getting a lot of ultralists thrown at me.
My puke units. My punits. I stole his Colossus.
Nice. Mine, yoink. Oh no, they got it back. We got it back. They got it back. I like kept switching. That was funny. What to do? Long range flying and cranking out Tempest. That's the strat. I put up about 6 more Immortals, and I think I'm just gonna go straight Tempest.
Yeah, that's really what you should do. Just spam Tempest.
Here's my guy. Yo!
Armadillo might be getting a special.
Backing.
Yeah, he's kind of chilling in the 3K range. Dude, Swarm Guardians are so fucking good. I don't think he has any, does he?
I haven't seen any.
Damn, we got
So-
ass fucked on that run. The hell happened? What did they change? What did they get?
I don't know the deal. See how MCZ does it. My build seems to be pretty decent.
Yeah, you're holding yours.
Oh, but shit, the tanks are stacking up. That's what's up.
Alright, I'm gonna get some Vipers and I can yank those out.
I like that. Oh no,
Oh,
this
they're
is me. I keep thinking MCZ's is mine. This is me. I gotta respond to that ground. I think I need a bunch of Archon.
Dude, we gotta kill those fucking tanks. Because they are pushing our shit in with them.
Hmm.
They're gonna get the egg.
You have not enough minerals.
Changing my strat a little bit here.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
Okay. I'm gonna
Yeah, I'm gonna
boom
start
so that I don't let them have this extra minerals. Possibly.
All right.
We're gonna see what happens here.
I say do it. If you're gonna do it now. Yeah, he's got all the swarm guardians.
Dumb, but we'll see.
They're gonna have to boom back.
Start stacking bait in too. Got a bunch.
You have not enough minerals.
He just
Oh,
doesn't
what
have
are your
very
Vipers
many.
doing?
Huh?
What are your Vipers doing?
What do you mean?
They went over the entire battlefield.
Because they ran out of mana and they ran out of
Grabby power,
yeah.
grabby juice.
And there was no area. There were no area units, so they couldn't fight them. Because they're air to air.
Oh my god!
So many Colossus.
I just saw that. Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Oh my god.
We still haven't taken all the goddamn tanks out. This is my push.
I'm spawning a shitload of Ultralisks on this time period. Dude, he got a bunch of Fate Initiates. There he goes.
Good boom.
You have not enough minerals.
Real good boom. We're tied now.
Dude, your army is so thick.
Try. Train really hard. Dude, they just held that onslaught. That was wild. Not over yet, obviously, but
I think we need to concede the egg because we need to hold that last boom.
it's fucking tanks, dude. Got no answer for it.
He has so many goddamn tanks, dude.
Yep. It's literally just tank spam.
You have not enough minerals.
I mean, what do we do about that? Armadillo's about to special.
Did he do it? He just
Yeah, he did.
he did two things. It went to 2,000 and then down to like 4. He may have bought two. Like, oh man, I kind of feel like I'm gonna buy a baby Nexus, because I think they don't have enough detectors to see the entire field. And it would give us like a big leg up.
I'm gonna special.
You seek our aid. You seek our aid.
I want to force out their last boom, and they don't have enough to counter special.
Okay.
I did it.
We're gonna have to boom.
No. Don't.
You're just not gonna get it in time.
Yeah, well. It is just in time.
Oh my god, you even got the guys way back at their spawn.
I know, that's why I timed it the way I did.
Ah!
It's gonna force their boom.
I don't think, yeah, none of them have enough money to answer that.
Nope.
You have not enough minerals.
So watch when my army gets up there, because like I said, I don't think they have hardly any detectors. And that was maybe a mess up on their part. Mothership's super slow getting there, though. It's going to be covering your units, not even mine.
None of them are saving for a special.
Yeah, because they're probably panicking.
We're gonna force the boom on this push, I bet.
Should have already done it.
Oh my god, we're about to go to overtime. That's why.
Yeah, it's like 80 what? 81?
Yeah. I fucking hate sudden death. It's so lame.
They can't see the mothership.
We have a whole row of immortals just plowing there. There we go. There it is.
They did it too early. They did it too early.
Yep.